What is up, YouTube? We're back again with another video. We are doing
leg, baby. Whoa. Slip and slide.
We are doing the Impossible Whopper today. The Impossible Whopper today. And you know we got our fries. Well, I was eating them already. That's why I have them gone. And we got mozzarella sticks. Okay?
Yeah, get off my mozzarella stick.
So, you about to take first bite.
Ready?
Not really. Sorry.
This tastes like a regular Whopper.
Not to me. It's a little suspect.
Like,
Now you don't need another bite. Come on, come on.
it's definitely not nasty though. But
You can. You can. You can tell it's not a, you can tell it's not a Whopper though.
yeah, now that I had a second bite, it kind of tastes like y'all remember in I think summer, middle school, we used to get them riblet patties. Oh,
I mean, I don't think I'm gonna red with it.
you gotta go.
Some be overtrying me. I don't think I'm red with it.
No, you just don't agree with me. That's what it is.
I don't think like a red with it for me.
You know what I'm saying? That's to you, babe.
Anybody again? Mm-mm. Yeah.
It's suspect.
That's definitely not a Whopper.
No, at first it did taste like one, but
You keep taking a bite. You can tell it's not a Whopper. You can tell that's not a Whopper. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I don't really know what it's giving me. Like, is it giving me...
it's giving me charcoal.
I know I ate a piece of mine. Mine was burnt.
Yeah, it's like it's burnt, but it's not nasty.
It definitely don't look like
No, it don't look like a Whopper at all.
No. It don't look like the, you know how the Beyond Meat or the plant-based meat. It don't look like that inside.
I don't.
Like, it look like regular hamburger meat. No. It look like regular
It
hamburger
looked like
meat.
a Whopper.
I mean, when you look on the outside, you can tell it's not meat. The way it's like circled, but
It's good though.
yeah, it's alright. Maybe I need it fresh because this one need it fresh.
It wasn't, and we asked for it first too. It wasn't. We had to reheat it when we got home.
These are good.
Yeah. We is so nosy. It makes no sense.
Yeah. But it ain't, I don't know. It's not giving me anything.
You don't really like it?
I'm not too ecstatic about it. I was to try it.
You probably need it with cheese. Wait.
No.
Earlier.
Mm.
Earlier, what he did to me.
I mean, I don't know if I'm about this again. I'm not really
The one from
feeling
Red
it.
Robin was good.
That one was good. This one,
It was just a little burnt.
yeah.
It was thin. I feel like I'm eating more meat. I mean, more bread than anything.
Yeah, I'm not really feeling this. I mean, I'm gonna eat it, but to buy this again, I don't think so. Cause it's just not. It's not.
If I want an Impossible Burger, I think I'm gonna just get it from Red Robin.
Yeah, it's not giving me that.
Babe.
Like, I don't know if it's because it's not fresh or.
What video you putting our text messages in?
Oh yeah. You should have seen me in summer, bro. I ain't gonna tell y'all what we was at, bitch. You should have seen me in summer texting each other. That shit was funny as fuck.
Me and Brene be texting each other throughout the day, even if we're apart, right? Well, when we're apart. We don't text each other when we're... Not often, unless she's in the bathroom. But anyway,
You don't text me in the bathroom. You don't text me in the bathroom all the time.
sometimes... Brene, nobody's keeping tabs on how many times we do it. I'm just saying we do it.
I said you haven't did it in a long time.
Baby, what does that matter? What, the fact that we do it.
Oh,
Get on my nerves.
me and Summer funked out. Me and Summer lost a few pounds. And now what happened was
10.
we was big as houses, bro, because we was eating. We was eating. We wouldn't stop eating.
Quarantine. I mean, I was already chunky, but...
Why we always blaming on quarantine? It
No,
wasn't
everybody
quarantine.
literally gained weight through quarantine.
My nigga, I was eating. I don't know what everybody else
Cause
was.
all we was doing was eating and sleeping. We couldn't go nowhere.
I was eating big ass steaks, big ass steak dinners, chicken dinners. Like I was eating
Pasta.
I ain't gonna blame it on quarantine. I was eating. That's why I gained weight, girl. Now I'm losing it. Our gain weight went to 230.
I ain't saying my weight.
And I'm down. I ain't 230 no more though. I'm 219. It's leaving, surely, slowly but surely. We know, but anyway, it's leaving slowly but surely. Not as fast as I wanted to. I wanted just some milk.
These fries is dry.
I ain't feeling this burger, and I'm still biting it.
Because, girl, we hungry.
I ain't done damn long.
Already don't eat.
Oh.
We should have got cheese pizza.
Ooh, we made fried broccoli. And
I made fried broccoli.
She really gotta make herself known. But
Well, you always trying to take credit.
this fried broccoli was so good.
It tastes like chicken.
I should never be closing my eyes. That's
That's big. No, it was good though. It
Oh,
tasted like
good.
fried chicken.
Oh my
Fried
god, I tell you
chicken.
that shit was so good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not feeling it, and it's leaving a nasty taste in my mouth.
Drink that water.
I ain't feeling that.
You should have got it with cheese.
You like it?
It's not bad, but it ain't just like grade A. You feel me?
I could cook this shit at home. Shit, to be honest.
Cook it at home, it would have been better. We just be want to try vegan stuff
Or go from somewhere else, like, but,
We just be wanting to try vegan stuff at other places. Well, mine technically ain't vegan because it got cheese on it. But I still wanted to try it. I don't believe in eating burgers without cheese. That's gross.
Mine didn't have cheese on it.
Yeah, she ain't got no home training.
Oh my god, I don't.
That tomato look good.
And it's watery, it's falling down, it's too much. But anyway, you guys, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Me and Summer gonna go back to do more videos. We are about to do a prank. So wait for that prank, but we had to do this video first. And tell y'all how we like these Impossible Whoppers, because we went vegan. I don't like them, Summer like them, and that's all to it.
Baby, I don't just like it.